Okay, like this, you need to go here, point group. You can select. See, when I'm clicking this, you can also see what are the changes we made only for this point group. That's why it's better to have a separate point group. Otherwise, everything coming to the default all points. Now I'm going to do for right click and then go for property. See here on top of the point group, this is separated, not here. Here property is different, but here totally property. See, then here it is coming. Then we can able to make this top of this. See, you can make use of up button. Okay, now when you click apply, what is the changes? It's similar to toggle on, toggle off. See, now only the points is visible. So when you make that top of everything, so everything else, it's like a hidden. So like that, we can able to have different point groups and we can able to play with. See, now again, I will go for property and I will bring back this one. When you click apply, all the things that we modified, it will come. This is also important if you have a number of point groups.
Oh, if you this toggle up and down, if you do also this levels elevation, everything will hide.
Yeah. This is that only for the purpose we have property here. Yeah.
Yeah, but if you are going and editing the what we have created the group, and there also we can edit. No, it show only the point.
You mean like from here you can just go for property, and there also you can go for none.
Only elevation or only the basic means we can have that only the benchmark. No,
you can go for none also, or you can go for benchmark.
Yeah, only elevation like that.
Okay. Yeah.
It's not like we are changing toggle up and down. No, here also we can change it.
Okay. And what else we have? I'm just going here property for this point group. Okay. See here basic point style, right? Even I'm going to change the point style also. For example, I will change by it is like by default basic. Now I will go for tree. Tree in the sense the tree it will come wherever you have into mark, and you can able to see tree, small green trees coming. See, it is the point style. Now the tree became the point style. Like this, you can able to change anything. Before it was into mark, now I changed to tree. What else we can do there? You can go to property. Okay, and here this is like a default things. What you can go for new, create new. I am going for create new point style. I will go for P1. Okay, marker. See here you can able to take AutoCAD point, or we can go for custom marker. Custom marker means into we have. Apart from that, we can also go for a square. Both combination it will come. And if you don't want into, we can go for plus. Like this points we can able to create, or we can able to make use of AutoCAD blocks. You know now AutoCAD block how to create. See, first I will select this one. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, now it is point one. When you click apply, you can able to see the changes. See now the change. Whatever you are creating, and you can able to change that. Okay, so it's up to you which things you want. Okay, now we have AutoCAD point also. Like AutoCAD point, I will try to have one point here. Okay, this is the AutoCAD point, right? Okay, but I will go for a P type. P type in the sense we can have some other points. For example, I will take this one. So now the AutoCAD point like this. Okay. Now what I'm going for, right click property. Okay, I'm going for another or we can just go for edit also. Edit also it will come. I'm going for use the AutoCAD point for marker. Okay. So the AutoCAD marker, like whatever the way it is having, it will create the same. So what we can do means like we can able to just make it bigger. We can scale it if you want. So scale to 2.5 times. What happened? Scale, select this. Scale factor, I will put a 2.5. So point style, we can't able to.
Point style, you cannot scale up because it's
screen
relative.
Yeah. It's just a point only. That's why. What we can do is we can put explode command, or we can
in the property also. Yeah, a property you can set the scale. The point style property, point style, DS style, for creating.
So point style command we can. You mean where the p type itself we can
Also, yeah, there.
Yeah.
Here you can set the relatives. You can set the absolute unit. You can set and
Yeah. Okay. This is really
Bottom
this. Yeah.
but
20
now
units.
you can scale it. Yeah, now it will. Maybe this is more.
CC very bigger. So p type itself we have. I think 10 could be better.
10, yes.
Or okay, 10 also good, right? Okay, no issue. And then you can, but we can't able to change color. We will see how it is coming. Okay, then we can just go here and then property. Yeah, and then you can go for edit, or we can create new also. AutoCAD point, and then I will apply, and then okay, and then apply. We will see how it is coming. See, it is coming in red color only. Then no issue, because everything here it might be having. Okay, display and marker and everything. It's like by block only it's coming. That's why. If you change some color, it will change also the marker color. For example, it's by block, or I will select some color. Already red only, or we can just go for something like see, now it's changing, because by block means it will be in red color only. Okay. Okay, I will go to by block itself. Okay. So only for this we must have, and after you can delete it, no issue. If you're deleting also, it will be there. Okay. And what else? Like another thing, like we can able to have a block now. For example, I will have some block. And I will copy. Okay, I will hatch something here. Hatch command you can use now. Just going to create some block for that. And we can take this one. And you can change some color if you want from here. And I will try to put some solid hatch. Okay, for this I will give some color. Now I will just take this Control X. Okay, Control Shift V, paste as a block. So now it became block. Very simple, we can able to make blocks. So this command you are aware of?
Yeah, everyone knows.
Yeah. This is simple. Now, mostly in construction industry, everyone we used to do this block method, paste as a block method. Okay. Now what we can do is I can scale it. I guess I can scale it to another 0.5. Okay. Or even more also we can able to scale. 0.5. Okay. Now what I will go means like I will go here and then go for property. You can go for edit current selection, and then here go for marker. You can go for use AutoCAD block. See, this is the one we have created. So you need to remember the name, or you can search for the preview. Okay. Then we can go for angle if you want, or you can change the size. Even you can able to change the size from here, no issue. Click OK, and then when you click apply, it will change. See, now it's changed, no? Based on the, see, very small is coming. You can make the size bigger. I think when you deleting it, it will go. No, I think it won't go. It won't go. But if you want to say make some changes, like you can just go for property. So from here you can able to change. Okay, now it's looking better now. So we can able to identify the points easily. Okay. Now you know how to make changes to the point style and then label styles and everything, right? And if you want to
Yes.
put some description also, you can put some data entry work here. Okay.